Well, it's time for me to change the shower curtain. It's mid-July. Usually I wait all the way through July, but for some reason I'm just ready to change this decor up in here in the bathroom. If you've been around here a while, you know I change my shower curtain in my bathroom often because I don't have a window in here and it helps change my view. Well, I've enjoyed the shower curtain that I ordered from Amazon. I put it up around Memorial Day. Memorial Day is the 29th. And of course, we had the shower curtain up Memorial Day, Flag Day, Independence Day. And I had the shower curtain up for all of those summer holidays. Well, it's time for a change for me. I picked out this really pretty summery looking shower curtain that I have in my collection. I have a collection of shower curtains because I change them often, sometimes as much as once a week. I'm not sure where this one came from, but I thought it looked good and summery, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one down and put this one up and just enjoy a summer shower curtain this morning for the rest of the summer until it's time to get ready to decorate for fall. I'm in my work clothes this morning because it is rainy and wet outside, and I know I've got to clean in here and get caught up, so I'm in my work clothes this morning. Go ahead and change this shower curtain out. It'll just take a minute to do this. And of course, one of my tips is always to use 2 shower curtains on the ends. It'll save your shower curtains from wear and tear. It'll help them to last longer. So on the ends, I always have 2 shower hooks on each end of the shower curtain. My grandchildren are not here yet, but the cat's in the background. You may hear them. I've got one that's whiny this morning, so you may hear her in the background. I wanted to see if I could tell where this shower curtain's from. Oh, it's from Target. I buy a lot of mine from secondhand, from thrift stores. I also buy a lot from clearance sections, and friends actually give me shower curtains because they know that I change mine often. Let's see if I can get up here with this arm. In the stores, they already have the fall decorations out. And I have been looking at fall decorations, but I hadn't bought anything because I'm just not ready to buy anything yet. And of course, I go through all my old fall decorations before I buy anything new. I may not even need to buy anything. Unless it's something just spectacularly different, I'll probably just go through and use what I already have. But I love fall. Fall is one of my favorite times of the year, if not my favorite time of the year. And so I get excited when it's about time for fall, to decorate for fall. But traditionally around here, I start decorating for fall in September. So on the first day of September, that means it's time for me to decorate for fall. But I may decorate earlier this year so that I can show you some ideas that I use to decorate. So I may decorate earlier to give you time to go get or make or do something that you might like that I do. that'll give you plenty of time to get it done before it's time to decorate for fall. Sometimes the simplest things that you do in your home for a holiday makes the biggest impact. Something as simple as changing your shower curtain can freshen up your bathroom, can make a big impact. I got tickled at one of my friends. She said, you know, I don't think I've changed my shower curtain in probably 2 years. And I was trying to tell her she should do it more often. Well, I've got a spot there on there. I should have washed this and hung it up. I never dry my shower curtains. I always, when I get them out of storage, I go ahead and wash them and hang them up wet, straight out of the washing machine, and I let them air dry, hanging on the hooks. It's the easiest way. It avoids a lot of shrinkage and wear and tear from your dryer. And it's the easiest way that I've found to get that done. I'll show you that shower curtain here. Let me move this ladder out of the way. Now I'll have to take it down and wash it because I've got a little spot up here that I didn't notice when I got it out of the tub, the storage tub. But there you go. That's the really pretty, clean looking, fresh shower curtain. And I'll leave it up for the rest of July, probably August too. And then I'll start decorating for fall in September. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's decorations on YouTube. And I'm looking forward to sharing with you what I'm doing. But that just freshens it up some, gives it a whole new look. How sweet is that? Little Angelina's sitting here at the door waiting on me. She's waiting for me to finish filming so that I can come in and pet her. Well, I'm out here in the garden. It's dusk out here. It's right before getting dark, and I wanted to show you these daylilies before they were gone because they only bloom for a day. I was out here watering because look how beautiful that one is. Look how full that thing is. because it was so hot and humid today. The heat index got up to over 100 today. So I wanted to get out here and make sure I watered everything, watered all these hanging baskets and anything that needed water. But I knew these daylilies would not be here tomorrow, so I wanted to go ahead and share what I could with you tonight. Before they were gone tomorrow. How pretty they were. Now this right here, that's an effect of dry and heat. Not enough water right down here. Here's a daylily that's already folded up. This is going up the sidewalk right here. Here's the bottom of the sidewalk. And then this is heading up the sidewalk. You can see the daylilies. And I just think they're so pretty. I wanted to share them with you before tomorrow, before they were gone. Of course, there's still some more buds now that'll open up here. So there'll be a few more days of them, but these have already spent. And then these will be spent tomorrow. And so I wanted to catch them for you tonight. It's pretty out here at dusk. A lot of these blue flowers are already shedding their blooms. This smells so good. No wonder it draws a lot of hummingbirds. This knockout rose has lost most of its blooms, but it will bloom again before the end of the summer. Queen Anne's lace is drying up. Of course, I'm letting it go to seed so I can spread it out here and be sure to have plenty next year. Those hanging baskets are looking really good, and that's because we're making sure we always water them. We have to water them every day. And over here is another patch of these double daylilies. And they're looking really good too. Donald got the bird baths leveled up so they hold water like they should. They were tilted forward, most of the water was running out. There's a few of the daylilies over here. And those beautiful yellow calla lilies. Just beautiful. That one's got a June bug on it. The leaves are even pretty on those calla lilies. Well, it's getting dark out here, and I'm going to have to go ahead and pick up tomorrow and show you some more things out in the garden and get out here and work a little bit. We've got the day off. It's Monday, so we don't have kids. But I'll be showing you some more in the garden tomorrow. But I wanted to catch those daylilies and things for you out here at dusk, because, you know, tomorrow it'll be different out here. There'll probably not be as many daylilies. It's been really, really hot. But luckily I've got things that survive the heat out here. I'm going to go ahead and water these hanging baskets again tonight to make sure they stay plenty hydrated so that they don't dry up too early on me.